right, today's lesson is lesson 65, part 2, following a recipe and how to set the dial and find elapsed time. So again, we have our recipe here to make brownies. And let's quickly look what ingredients we need. So we need 2 squares of unsweetened chocolate. We need butter or margarine, eggs, sugar, flour, baking powder, vanilla, and walnuts. Now, of course, if you don't like walnuts, you don't have to put them in. So at the end of our recipe, it tells us the temperature at which to bake the brownies and the amount of time they need to bake. So before we mix the brownies, we need to practice showing temperatures on an oven dial. So you can do this when you bake at home. Now, some ovens have a dial, some have actual numbers like on a clock, and it just kind of depends on what you have. Okay, so a dial looks something like this. It's a circle, it's got some kind of a handle in the middle so you can turn it, okay? And there's always some numbers here. There's always an off. There's usually a setting that is warm, which means that it's just warms it up. It's not at a certain temperature, okay? And then we go around. So we have 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. So when we count, we're counting by 50s, okay? So in this first problem here, we want to know what number the dial is pointing to. And there's usually an arrow with the dial so you know what temperature it is. So if we look, the arrow is pointing to the number 450, which means that the oven temperature is going to be 450 degrees, okay? On number 2, the arrow is pointing in between the 350 and the 300. So the number that's halfway in between these is going to be 325. So this is pointing to 325 degrees, thereabouts. Okay? This next one, the arrow is pointing between the 300 and the 250, and halfway between those numbers is 225 degrees. Okay? All right. So now, first we need to draw an arrow to show the correct baking temperature on the oven dial. And then I need to know what time it'll be when it's supposed to finish. So this one says bake at 325 for 35 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I need to count up 35 minutes if I'm starting at 310. So I would go 310 and I would add the 35 minutes to it. Okay? So we know that 10 plus 35 would equal 45. And then the 3, of course, just stays the same. So my answer would be, the time would end at 3:45. And then it needs to be at 425 for the temperature. So here's 450. So my arrow needs to be halfway in between both those numbers. Okay, and that's how you do this part. The next one says bake at 375 for 20 minutes. So 375 is in between 350 and 400. So if we look, it would be about halfway in between both these numbers. And I think I might have told you wrong on maybe... No, I didn't. Yes, I did. Sorry. On this one, number 3, I made a mistake. It's not 225. I misread it. Halfway between 300 and 250 is really 275. See, even teachers make mistakes. All right. So now we've fixed that. We have it pointing at 375 because it's between 400 and 350. Now it's 20 minutes. So I need to do 40 plus 20. Well, 40 plus 20 equals 60. And I know there are 60 minutes in an hour. So that means that it's going to end at 3 o'clock. Okay? Because if I count up, it'd be 30, 40, 50, 3 o'clock. Okay? We'll do just one more. Bake at 325 for 35 minutes. So first we need to find 325. That should be between 300 and 350. So I draw my arrow pointing halfway between. And then 35 minutes. So I'd add 35 minutes to this. And that would be 50. So my time would be 6:50. Okay, and that is it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.